I think you have already gathered some knowledge and experience about articles. I have also taken 3 classes on articles with reference to other questions. And today, on part 3, I shall give you an important lesson on the uses, on the analysis of articles, the or omission of the uses of articles and omissions of articles on the basis of structure of sentences. I know or you know that articles depend on different patterns of sentences. The sentences may be like exclamatory sentences, interrogative sentences, turning into assertive sentence. Even articles depend on parts of speech, such as on common noun, on singular noun, on plural noun, even on before countable nouns or uncountable nouns, before abstract nouns, before material nouns. Articles may be used in some sentences. In some sentences, articles are used and articles are omitted. I shall elaborately discuss it. Phrases like adjective phrases, prepositional phrases, noun phrases. Sometimes articles are omitted. Cases like vocative case and possessive case. Article the is omitted. Omission of article the. So, I can say that articles, especially the uses of articles, depend on the pattern of sentences. And I have selected some questions, at least 10 questions. In the right side, you was 11 questions. In the left side, you was 11 questions. So, on the basis of sentences, you will watch the uses of articles and the omissions of articles. And this is my class on third part of articles. Thank you. Think over my classes and lecture very sincerely. Number 1, Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Very simple sentence, very easy sentence to understand. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Here you see what kind of parts of speech. Proper noun. Bangladesh, proper noun. So we should never use article the before proper noun. On the other hand, when you will use article such as the Dhaka city is our pride. The Dhaka city is our pride. Dhaka শহর আমাদের অহংকার, আমাদের গর্ব. Multiple letter. This is phrase, noun phrase, but noun adjective phrase. So, in this case, we may use article the because article refers to Dhaka city. What is the function of article the? Function of article the. It always points out anything or any person or any place definitely নির্দিষ্টভাবে বলবে বা নির্দিষ্টভাবে শনাক্ত করতে পারে. Here the is appropriately used, but here the is before Dhaka the is, you see omission of the before Bangladesh proper noun. Next, number 2, gold is a precious metal. Gold is a precious metal. You see here gold is material noun. In dictionary like A.H. Hornby, a writer, in his literary piece of grammar on language, shows that before material noun there is no usage of article the. So in Martin, Renan Martin says no article is used before material noun. So material noun এর পূর্বে কখনো দি বসবে না। But if the material noun is identified properly, then we can use article the. Here in the left side, the gold of my ring, আমার আংটির সোনা is precious. নির্দিষ্টভাবে বললে, শনাক্ত করলে সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা কি করব? আর্টিকেল ব্যবহার করব। That is why the gold of my ring, এই রিং বা এই আংটির যে সোনা সেটি মূল্যবান। This is particular. If any article or if the article the refers to particular thing, then we can use article the. So in some sentences, on the pattern of sentences, in some sentences before material noun we can use the, and article the will never be used. It must be omitted before material noun. Number 3, dogs guard at night. কুকুর রাত্রিতে আমাদেরকে পাহারা দেয়। Here dogs are common noun. So here we cannot use article the. Before common noun, article the is omitted. So here article is not appropriate. But if the dogs refers to the particularly, then the dogs of our house, আমাদের বাড়ির কুকুরগুলো, guard, তখন কি হচ্ছে? আমাদের বাড়ির কুকুরগুলো। Here it indicates properly. That is where the is used in this sentence. Next, wisdom is the gift of nature. জ্ঞান হচ্ছে, wisdom is the gift of heaven. স্বর্গের যে অহংকার, যে অবদান বা যে আশীর্বাদ, গিফট, সেটা কি? উইজডম, জ্ঞান বেহেশতের আশীর্বাদ। So wisdom here abstract noun. Before abstract noun use is not appropriate in respect of using. So here article the is omitted. But the wisdom of King Solomon, King Solomon's যে জ্ঞান, abstract noun, here it is used. কেন বলা হচ্ছে? article the refers to wisdom of King Solomon. King Solomon's abstract form of noun, মহত্ব, গুণ, তাই এখানে the is used. We study English. ভাষার পূর্বে কখনো দি বসবে না। We study English, but in respect of language, English is a language. If English is used before language and English is written before language, then article the is necessary, because the refers to language, the refers to English. The function of article the is to point out anything or any person or any kind of subject. Here language, the refers to language. Since English language is before language, and English is identified by language, so here the is appropriate. So in this sentence before English the article is appropriate, but on the other hand English language is not useful. Here we study English. In this sentence article remains as usual, commission. Number 6. Mr. Rotan is our best teacher. In this sense, in this sentence we can observe possessive case. So before possessive case, before superlative degree, and where there you see possessive case, instead of possessive case we can use. But Mr. Rotan is our best friend. Is our best friend. Here D is omitted because possessive case is not granted, is not suitable before superlative degree. Such as it may be useful in some patterns of sentence. Mr. Rotan is the best teacher. Superlative degree. This is plain sentence. Mr. Rotan is the best teacher. Here superlative degree purbe. Before superlative degree we use article the. But in this case, Mr. Rotan is our best teacher. So where there is possessive case, there we cannot use article the. Number 7. What kind of book do you want? আপনি কোন প্রকৃতির বই চাচ্ছেন? Asking information, interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, there is no usage of article the. But if the sentence gives the information, then there may arise article the, such as I want a book of literature. আমি সাহিত্য সম্পর্কিত বই চাই. I want a book of literature. Whenever we get information from interrogative sentence, we can find out article the. Number 8. We sleep at night. We sleep at night. This is at night prepositional phrase. Though it is adverbial phrase of time, but here you see night. Night is a night because it is the name of a particular period of the day, total 44 hours. So we sleep at night. Before prepositional phrase, article the is not used, is not appropriately right. It is wrong. So here we can see the omission of article the. But you see, the night is suitable for us. যখনই বলবো যে the night is suitable for our sleeping, আমাদের ঘুমের জন্য রাত্রি খুবই উপযুক্ত, then before night we use article the because the function of the, according to the function of the refers to night. But we sleep at night. Here we can observe, notice prepositional phrase. সুতরাং before prepositional phrase, article the is not allowed. Article the is omitted here. Milk is nutritious. Milk is a nutritious food. Milk is nutritious. দুধ পুষ্টিকর. And this is milk, uncountable noun. Before uncountable noun, the is omitted. Omission of the. But whenever it indicates properly, such as the milk of goats is more nutritious. ছাগির দুধ আরো পুষ্টিকর. In this sense, article the is appropriate. So in some sentences, article the is used, and in some sentences, articles are omitted. Such as before uncountable noun, the is omitted. Next, mother longs for a male child again. মা আবার একটি পুত্র সন্তানের আশা করছেন. Here you see mother. Mother just common noun. Here we cannot use article the. But whenever the mother arouse in her, মাতৃত্ব তার মধ্যে জেগে উঠেছে, in this case abstract form of noun arises, then we can use article the. The mother aroused in her. তার মধ্যে মাতৃত্ব জেগে উঠেছিল. The mother here, মাতৃত্ব. In this case, article the is appropriate. Next, go there. In vocative case or in such as go there, read it. In vocative case, we cannot use article the. In possessive case, where there is possessive case, we cannot use article the. So, through my discussion of sentences, you have gathered some knowledge, some ideas, and I think that my 3 classes on articles are helpful and fruitful, and it will help to find out correct answer from the questions paper. So, article depends on the usage of parts of speech, on countable or uncountable nouns or patterns, even on the analysis of sentences, on the parts of speech, on the basis of countable nouns, uncountable nouns, singular noun, plural noun, abstract noun, material noun, and phrases like adjective phrase, prepositional phrase, noun phrase, even noun adjective phrase, and case like vocative case and possessive case. You should always remember these kinds of sentences, these kinds of parts of speech, and this kind of sentences. Thank you very much.